This is Garlic Soy Season episode 2. Today we are making glazed garlic soy chicken straight from the oven. The skin crisps up, then gets brushed with a sticky and glossy glaze. This caramelized garlic soy sauce is so addictive that I end up eating an extra portion of rice. Getting the coating right decides everything. It's about ratio and it's easy to get it backward. Start with the coating. Mix together starch, flour, salt, baking powder and white pepper. The ratio is 2 parts starch to 1 part flour, but the real reason why this works is the baking powder. It is what brings out that crisp in the oven. Now for the chicken. 2 legs, skin on. Dry them properly all the way through the skin, not just a quick wipe. If there is water sitting on there, it fights the coating instead of letting it hold. While you are at it, clean off any blood or bits you don't want. Sprinkle the coating over the chicken and press it in layer by layer. Then just let them sit for a minute before they go anywhere near heat. They will hold the coating much better for it. Line a baking sheet with parchment, that's just for easy cleanup, and put a rack on top. It lets air move under the chicken, not just around it. Before they go in, shake off any excess coating. If you leave it on, you will get dry, patchy spots wherever it clumps. Skin side up onto the rack and into a preheated oven at 200 Celsius for about 40 minutes. See any white patches, brush them with the fat that's already dripped onto the parchment. It's already seasoned, so don't throw it away. If your oven runs unevenly, turn the tray halfway through, otherwise one side crisps up while the other stays pale. That sound means it's done rendering, nothing soft left underneath. Flip them over and brush them well with the caramelized garlic soy sauce from episode 1. Back in the oven for 5 minutes. Brush both sides again, then give it a few more minutes. 2 thin coats instead of 1 thick. That is what keeps it from burning. Let it rest so the glaze sets. Serve over hot rice. Drizzle extra sauce and top with toasted sesame seeds and sliced green onion. No more burnt glaze, no more rubbery skin, just crispy, sticky, caramelized garlic soy chicken, oven baked to perfection. That is episode 2 of Garlic Soy Season. You have the full recipe and measurements in the description below. If you want to keep cooking along, hit subscribe and let me know in the comments what is your own cooking rhythm. I will see you in the next one.